Again with Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar. Thank you so much guys for tuning into the show. We got a lot of recipes and a lot of ideas and a lot of things which we want to share with you. Today I want to make you a spinach and also curly kale with some ginger and lemon, blending together with some flavor and taste. And I know you guys definitely going to love this one. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click in that notification bell and get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for tuning into the show, and you will see exactly how I'm going to make this healthy green smoothie on the menu again from Chef Ricardo, requested by the fans. Nice, I love it. Guys, as you can see right over here, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to be doing this nice, lovely, healthy smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. All right. So first of all, I must say to you, I have a large handful of spinach, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of the blender, just like this. This is some spinach, and also I have a handful of curly kale. I love curly kale because curly kale is really good for you. Curly kale have a little bit of chunk, but honestly, it is good for you. And the spinach even come in and it works really well. So also I have a piece of a ginger, which I'm going to just cut up a piece of a fresh ginger and put it also inside of it. Secondly, lemon. We normally squeeze lemon or lime, whatever one you want to use, you can use inside of it. All right. Next thing is just put some water inside of it, just like this, to free up the blender. Roughly a cup of water. And all we're going to do is just blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Nice, give it a good shake. What? Nice. So that's exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys. Normally, some people doesn't strain it because, you know what I mean, of the fiber, but I'm always straining mine. And if you notice, I didn't even put any honey or anything inside of it. I just leave it natural. So what I'm gonna do is just simply give it a quick strain. Some people like to have the fiber, but to be honest, too much of the fiber doesn't good for you. You can see how rich it is. Look at the fiber. You know what I mean? You don't want to put too much of the fiber inside of your body. And some of that lovely fresh ginger. Nice. So this is finished. Now all I'm going to do is just pour this straight inside of my glass. So that's rich and nice. And that's exactly what you want to do with this kind of drink when you make them. So hopefully guys you like the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. As I can see, this is a fantastic smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo. I got the spinach and also the curly kale with ginger and lime. Can't go wrong. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Bye bye.